Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Cricket Prediction Australia. Today we are going to tell you BBL match number 47, which is between Hobart Hurricanes versus Perth Scorchers. Friends, if you don't subscribe our channel, please do it. If you subscribe our channel, we will be happy to do more predictions. So let's see the head-to-head record. Hobart Hurricane win 6 times and Perth Scorchers win 8 times. In the next match, Hobart Hurricane versus Perth Scorchers. Our prediction is Perth Scorchers will win the match. What do you think? Who will win the match? Share with us in our comment box. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe please.